How many saris does Nalli sell in a day? Well, they have over 35 stores and they do an annual revenue of over 700 crores. Each store does an average of 1.5 crore rupees per month. And imagine a sari sells for about 5,000 rupees on an average. That means each store sells 100 saris. That means in total 3,500 saris every single day. But they're not even the biggest player. The biggest player, Pothys, does over 1,600 crores of annual revenue and their EBITDA profit margin upwards of 18.5%, which is absolutely crazy. Well, that's actually reason that brands like Tata, Reliance and Aditya Birla have actually launched Saree brands over the past 2 years because the market is massive, believed to be upwards of $15 billion, because out of the 70 crore women in the country, half of them spend on an average 4,000 rupees every year on buying a sari, most of it during wedding, religious ceremonies as well as festivities. It's right about the time when a D2C brand launches saris in the country. Share it with someone who may need it.